Machine learning is a fascinating blend of computer science, mathematics, statistics, and psychology. It's one branch of artificial intelligence focused on the creation of algorithms that can learn and adapt to new environments. Hi, I'm Dr. Penny DeBale, founder and creative director of Holistic 3D. I've been teaching all things computer science, from programming to computer game development, for over 25 years at leading universities in Australia and Europe. I've published many successful textbooks, won national and international teaching awards, and host the Holistic 3D YouTube channel. Using my unique holistic approach, I've structured this course to resonate with both sides of your brain, with logic for the left through right-sided creative examples. Join me as I explore the machine learning domain in a game development context, leveraging C# and Unity. We will begin by discovering how our very own DNA has been the inspiration for genetic algorithms that train population after population to adapt to their surroundings and discover their own unique strategies. We'll then build artificial neural networks from scratch in C# and have them learn how to play Pong, drive a go-kart, and balance a ball. Having had hands-on experience with these techniques by programming them yourself, you'll be ready to jump right into the new ML Agents functionality currently being developed by Unity. There's no point denying machine learning is driven by high-level mathematics and statistics techniques. However, through my approach to teaching this topic, I'll help you really visualize what's happening behind the scenes by breaking down all the complicated equations into easy-to-understand concepts that translate straight into code. You'll come away from this course with many threshold concepts under your belt that will give you the confidence to explore new techniques from today's research, so you can dive right in and start exploring how far you can push the boundaries with your own intelligent game characters. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey into machine learning by enrolling now.